In this video, I'll guide you through how to find a section ID in Squarespace. Whether you're customizing your website or troubleshooting some issues, understanding how to locate these IDs is a fantastic skill to have in your toolkit. So let's dive right in and make this process a breeze. First, you'll need to install a browser extension called either the Squarespace ID Finder or the Squarespace Collection/Block Identifier. These are readily available for Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge, so pick whichever browser you prefer. These extensions work like magic to help you identify different elements on your Squarespace site with ease. Once you've got that set up, you're ready for the next step. Now, open your live Squarespace website. Alternatively, if you're working on something specific, you can navigate directly to your active editing dashboard workspace. This is where you'll be able to view and interact with the elements of your site that you want to identify. Next, find the extension icon in your browser toolbar. It's usually located at the top right of your browser window. Go ahead and click on that icon. What happens next is pretty neat. The extension will instantly create a visual overlay on your web page. This overlay is your key to easily identifying different elements. You'll notice that it injects high contrast data labels over everything on your page. Let's break down what you're seeing. The blue or green labels represent your unique block IDs. These are specific to elements like text boxes, images, or forms. Meanwhile, the black or dark gray labels display your global section IDs. These are the ones you'll most often need for customizing and styling. Once you've spotted the label you need, it's as simple as clicking directly on it. The label will look something like this. Section Data Section ID 65 F1A 23 P45 67890 ABC EF12. Clicking on this string will automatically copy the exact text to your clipboard. It's a handy feature that ensures you have the correct ID without having to manually type it out, which minimizes the risk of errors. After you've copied the ID you need, you might want to turn off the overlay to get a clearer view of your website again. Just click the extension icon once more, and the labels will disappear, leaving your page as it was. And there you have it. You've successfully found your section ID in Squarespace. This method is straightforward and incredibly useful for anyone looking to get a bit more hands-on with their website design. With these IDs, you can customize your site more effectively, ensuring that everything looks and functions just the way you want it to. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and tricks. See you next time.